Hello guys, welcome to this session. Today we are going to discuss some miscellaneous MCQs of modern history. So if you love the content, please like the session, and if anyone is visiting the channel for the first time, subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon also. So let us start with the first question. The question is, who is known as the father of Muslim Renaissance in Bengal? A option is Abdul Latif, B is Mirza Gulab Ahmad, C option is Muhammad Qasim, and D option is Rashid Ahmad Gangoi. So right answer is option A, that is Abdul Latif. Next question is, who was the first Chief Justice of Supreme Court of Calcutta? A option is Hyde, B option is Eliza Amphy, C option is Lemaster, and D option is Monson. So right answer is option B, that is Eliza Amphy. And one more point, if the examiner asks that who was the first Chief Justice of India, your first Chief Justice of Supreme Court, your first Indian Chief Justice of Supreme Court, then the answer will be H.J. Kania, right? Next question is, Abhinav Bharat, a society of revolutionaries, was organized in 1904 by A option is Arbindo Ghosh, B option is Bipin Chandra Pal, C option is Ras Bihari Bose, and D option is V.D. Savarkar. So right answer is option D, that is V.D. Savarkar. Next question is, who among the following said India has to unite and conquer the whole world once again with its might? A option is Swami Dayanand Saraswati, B option is Ram Krishna Paramhansa, C option is Swami Vivekanand, and D option is Annie Besant. So right answer is option C, that is Swami Vivekanand. Next question is, which one of the following freedom fighters of the First War of Independence of 1857 was conferred the title of Mehak Pari? A option is Jeenat Mahal, B option is Hazrat Mahal, C option is Lakshmi Bai, and D option is none of these. So right answer is option B, that is Hazrat Mahal. Next question is, who had hosted the national flag of India at the International Socialist Congress held at Stuttgart? A option is M.N. Roy, B is V.D. Savarkar, C option is S.C. Subhash Chandra Bose, and last option is Madam Bikaji Kama. The right answer is option D, that is Madam Bikaji Kama. Next question is, who of the following termed the revolt of 1857 as Indian War of Independence for the first time? A option is Ramesh Chandra Mazumdar, B option is V.D. Savarkar, C option is Ishwari Prasad, and D option is Tara Chand. The right answer is option B, that is V.D. Savarkar, and in his book First War of Independence. Next question is, Maulvi Liaquat Ali, who played a significant role during the freedom struggle of 1857, belonged to which of the following cities? A option is Bareilly, B is Faizabad, C option is Allahabad, and D option is Lucknow. The right answer is option C, that is Allahabad. Next question is, who compared Curzon's administration in India to that of Aurangzeb? A option is Bal Gangadhar Tilak, B is Gopal Krishan Gokhale, C option is Dadabhai Naroji, and D option is Lala Lajpat Rai. So right answer is option B, that is Gopal Krishan Gokhale. Next question is, who was the first to suggest the boycott of British goods in Bengal? A option is Arbindo Ghosh, B is Krishna Kumar Mitra, C option is Motilal Ghosh, and last option is Satish Chandra Mukherjee. So right answer is option B, that is Krishna Kumar Mitra. Next question is, in which of the following languages was the first issue of journal Gadar published? A option is Urdu, B is Hindi, C is English, and D option is Marathi. So right answer is option A, that is Urdu. Next question is, Syamaji Krishna Verma established Indian Home Rule Society in A option is London, B is Paris, C option is Berlin, and last option is San Francisco. So right answer is option A, that is London. And Syamaji Krishna Verma established this Home Rule Society in London in 1905. Next question is, who among the following led the agitation against the partition of Bengal in 1905? A option is C.R. Das, B is Ashutosh Mukherjee, C option is Rabindranath Tagore, and D option is Surendranath Banerjee. The right answer is option D, that is Surendranath Banerjee. Next question is, who among the following had started Mitra Mela Association? A option is Syamaji Krishna Verma, B is Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, C option is Lala Hardayar, and last option is Sohan Singh Bhagna. The right answer is option B, that is Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. And V.D. Savarkar had founded the society, that is Mitra Mela and Friends Group, which later became the Abhinav Bharat, जिसको कि Young India Society भी कहा जाता है. Okay. Next question is, Arbindo Ghosh was defended in the Alipur bomb case by A option is Bipin Chandra Pal, B option is Motilal Nehru, C option is Bula Bai Desai, and D option is C.R. Das. The right answer is option D, that is C.R. Das. Next question, the real name of the which one of the following leaders of 1857 was Ramchandra Pandurang? A option is Kunwar Singh, B option is Tantya Tope, C option is Nana Sahib, and D option is Mangal Pandey. The right answer is option B, that is Tantya Tope. Next question is Ganpati festival in Maharashtra was started by A option is Bal Gangadhar Tilak, B is Gopal Krishan Gokhale, C option is Arbindo Ghosh, and last option is Bipin Chandra Pal. The right answer is option A, that is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Next question is who was the founder of Gadar Party? A option is Lala Hansraj, B option is Lala Hardayal, C option is Syamaji Krishna Verma, and D option is Ajit Singh. So right answer is option B, that is Lala Hardayal. Next question is under whose suggestion was Bharatiya Rashtriya Sangh changed to Bharatiya Rashtriya Congress in 1855 AD? A option is Firoz Shah Mehta, B is Kashinath Telang, C option is Dada Bhai Naroji, and D option is W.C. Banerjee. So right answer is option C, that is Dada Bhai Naroji. Next question is Bal Gangadhar Tilak worked to inspire the national spirit in people. A option is by publishing atrocities made by the British government against Indian in his paper Kesari. B option is by organizing festivals in honor of Lord Ganesha and by reviving the cult of Shivaji. C option is by supporting the Khilafat movement. And D option is all of above. The right answer is option D, that is all of the above. Next question is which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? A option is but here one side is given the cities or place from which the revolutionaries fought in the revolt of 1857 and one side is the leader of these revolutionaries. So first option is Jhansi. Jhansi is related to Lakshmi Bai. B option is Gwalior. Gwalior के जो leader थे वो तांत्या टोपे थे. C option is Kanpur. Kanpur related to Nana Sahib. And D option is Allahabad. Allahabad related to Kunwar Singh. So you have to choose the incorrect pair. So right answer is option D, that is Kunwar Singh. बिकॉज जो कुंवर सिंह थे वो लड़े थे फ्रॉम द बिहार स्टेट, राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मैच द नेम ऑफ ऑथर्स विद देयर बुक्स एंड चूज द करेक्ट आंसर. यहाँ पर गाइस ऑथर दिए हुए हैं और बुक्स दी हुई हैं. आपको फाइंड आउट करना है कि कौन से ऑथर ने कौन सी बुक लिखी हुई है, राइट. तो हम इसका राइट आंसर देख लेते हैं. आंसर आएगा ए का आएगा, दैट इज एस.एन. बनर्जी की जो बुक है वो है ए नेशन इन मेकिंग. दादा भाई नरोजी की ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बुक है, दैट इज पॉवर्टी एंड उन ब्रिटिश रूल इन इंडिया. एंड बाल गंगाधर तिलक की जो बुक है वो है गीता रहस्य. एंड बंकिम चंद्रा चट्टोपाध्याय ने जो लिखी है वो है आनंदमठ नोवेल, राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मैच द फॉलोइंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विद देयर फाउंडिंग मेंबर्स. यहाँ पर एक साइड पर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दी हुई है एंड अदर साइड पर उनके फाउंडर्स दिए हुए हैं. तो हम आंसर देख लेते हैं. सो राइट आंसर आएगा, दैट इज ए का मैच आएगा 3 से, दैट इज इंडियन नेशनल यूनियन. ये जो स्थापना की थी वो की गई थी बाय द ब्रिटिशर्स ए.ओ. ह्यूम के द्वारा, राइट. एंड ब्रिटिश इंडिया एसोसिएशन की जो स्थापना की गई थी वो की गई थी देवेंद्र नाथ टैगोर के द्वारा. एंड ईस्ट इंडिया एसोसिएशन की स्थापना की थी दादा भाई नरोजी ने. एंड इंडियन सोसाइटी की जो स्थापना थी, एस्टेब्लिशमेंट थी, वो की गई थी आनंद मोहन बोस के द्वारा. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विद रेफरेंस टू द इंडियन फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द करेक्ट क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर ऑफ द गिवन इवेंट्स. यहाँ पर 3 इवेंट्स दिए हुए हैं, दैट इज पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल, लखनऊ पैक्ट एंड सूरत स्प्लिट ऑफ कांग्रेस. आपको फाइंड आउट करना है कि कौन सी ऑप्शंस में जो है ये एक प्रॉपर क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में दी हुई हैं. तो द राइट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल होता है पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल इन 1905. ओके. एंड सूरत स्प्लिट ऑफ कांग्रेस होता है 1907 में एंड लखनऊ पैक्ट होता है 1916 में, राइट. तो ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वर द 2 न्यूज़पेपर पब्लिश्ड बाय एनी बेसेंट. आपको न्यूज़पेपर यहाँ पर दिए हुए हैं, आपको 2 न्यूज़पेपर बताने हैं जो एनी बेसेंट के द्वारा पब्लिश किए गए हैं. सो राइट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज 1 and 2, दैट इज कॉमनवेल्थ एंड न्यू इंडिया. Next question is who among the following is the author of the autobiography entitled Amar Katha in 1913? A option is Satyajit Ray, B option is Rasundri Devi, C option is Ganesh Chandra Ghosh, and D option is Binodini Dasi. The right answer is option D, that is Binodini Dasi. Next question is in which of the following cities was the East India Association founded by Dada Bhai Naroji in 1866? तो 1 पॉइंट इज क्लियर. ये हम प्रीवियस भी कर चुके हैं कि जो ईस्ट इंडिया एसोसिएशन की स्थापना की गई थी वो की गई थी दादा भाई नरोजी के द्वारा इन द ईयर 1866. और कौन सी जगह पर की गई थी? तो ऑप्शंस हैं पेरिस, लंदन, न्यूयॉर्क एंड टोक्यो. राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज लंदन. Next question is, who among the following Urdu poets was invited to the second and third roundtable conference? A option is Faiz Ahmad, B option is Josh Malihabadi, C option is Muhammad Iqbal, and D option is Firaq Gorakhpuri. So right answer आएगा option C, that is Muhammad Iqbal. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मैच द फॉलोइंग। यहाँ पर एक साइड फाउंडर्स दिए हुए हैं और एक साइड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दी हुई है। सो आपको बताना है कि किस पर्सन ने कौन सी एसोसिएशन या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की स्थापना की थी। तो हम इसका राइट आंसर देख लेते हैं। सो फर्स्ट है गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले ने फाउंड की थी सर्वेंट ऑफ इंडियन सोसाइटी। एंड मदन मोहन मालवीय ने जो है बनारस हिंदू यूनिवर्सिटी की स्थापना की थी। सी राजा गोपालाचारी ने स्वतंत्रता पार्टी की स्थापना की थी और वी डी सावरकर ने फ्री इंडिया सोसाइटी की स्थापना की थी। ये गाइज इंपॉर्टेंट है, आप इनको स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर रख लीजिए या इनको कहीं अलग से कॉपी में नोट डाउन कर लीजिएगा, राइट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ईयर्स वाज द ऑल इंडिया ट्रेड यूनियन कांग्रेस फॉर्म्ड इन बॉम्बे? ए ऑप्शन इज 1918, बी इज 1919, सी ऑप्शन इज 1920 and D option is 1921. So right answer is option C, that is All India Trade Union Congress formed in the year 1920, and who was its first president? So his name was Lala Lajpat Rai. Next question is, who among the following was cleared as the president of All India Khilafat Conference met at Delhi in 1990? A option is Motilal Nehru, B is Mahatma Gandhi, C option is Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and D option is Shaukat Ali. So right answer is option B, that is Mahatma Gandhi. Next question is, who among the following was not a member of the Constituent Assembly? A option is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, B option is Acharya J.B. Kripalani, C option is Lok Narayan Jayaprakash, and D option is K.M. Munshi. So right answer is option C, that is Lok Nayak Jayaprakash. Next question is, who among the following had moved the objective resolution which formed the basis of the preamble of the Constitution of India in the Constituent Assembly on December 13, 1946? A option is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, B option is Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C option is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and D option is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So जो आइडिया था ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन का वो किस पर्सन ने दिया था, राइट। तो आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू। ओके, आपको ये डेट भी याद रखनी है, डेट भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, दैट इज 13 दिसंबर 1946. And one more important point, that idea was given on 13th December 1946, but this idea was adopted on 22nd January 1947 by the Constituent Assembly. Next question is, the doctrine of non-violence and civil disobedience associated with Mahatma Gandhi were influenced by the works of A option is Churchill, Irvin, Tolstoy, B option is Ruskin, Tolstoy, Thoreau, C option is Thoreau, Human and Shaw, and D option is Krieps, Tolstoy, and Hobbes. So right answer is option B, that is Ruskin, Tolstoy, and Thoreau. Next question is, which of the following statement about Annie Besant are correct? First statement is, she founded the Central Hindu College at Banaras. Second statement is, she organized the Home Rule League. And third is, she introduced the Theosophical movement in India. So right answer is option A, that is all above the three statements are correct about the Annie Besant. Next question is, October 26, 1947 is an important date in Indian history because of A option is Maharaja Hari Singh signing an instrument of accession, B option is ceasefire with Pakistan, C option is merger of Sindh, and D option is declaration of war over India by Pakistan. So right answer is option A, that is Maharaja Hari Singh signing an instrument of accession with India. Next question is, which of the following statements regarding Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy of Satyagraha is or are correct? First statement is, truth and non-violence are two vital ingredients. Second is, the follower of Satyagraha would resist civil but not hate the evildoer. And third is, the Satyagrahi would, if necessary, inflict suffering on himself and also the evildoer. So right answer is option D, that is only 1 and 2 statements are correct about the Satyagraha. Next question is, the name of the Ram Prasad Bismil is associated with A option is Kanpur conspiracy case, B is Alipur conspiracy case, C option is Kakori conspiracy case, and D is Meerut conspiracy case. The right answer is option C, that is Kakori conspiracy case. Next question is, identify the correct sequence of the following events of Indian history starting with the earliest. यहाँ पर कुछ events दिए हुए हैं, so you have to arrange this in the chronological order. So first is Doctrine of Lapse, second is Subsidiary Alliance, third is Treaty of Lahore, and fourth is Pitt's India Act. So right answer आएगा option A, that is first of all Pitt's India Act, then Subsidiary Alliance, देन ट्रीटी ऑफ लाहौर एंड लास्ट में आएगा डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लैब्स। तो हम सभी के इनके ईयर्स देख लेते हैं बिकॉज सभी के ईयर जो है इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो पीट्स इंडिया एक्ट आता है 1784 में। उसके बाद सब्सिडरी अलायंस होती है 1798 में इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाता है एंड निजाम ऑफ हैदराबाद इज द फर्स्ट प्रिंसली स्टेट टू साइन द सब्सिडरी अलायंस। ओके, ट्रीटी ऑफ लाहौर होती है 9 मार्च 1846 को आफ्टर द फर्स्ट सिख वॉर एंड डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लैब्स इंट्रोड्यूस की जाती है लॉर्ड डलहौजी के द्वारा इन द ईयर 1848 में, राइट। एंड दिस इज द क्वेश्चन फॉर यू गाइस। अगर आपने सेशन को अच्छे से अटेंड किया होगा देन डेफिनेटली यू आर एबल टू गिव द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। तो प्लीज कमेंट में इसका आंसर जरूर दीजिएगा। एंड दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे गाइस। आई होप दैट यू लव द सेशन। प्लीज गिव अ thumbs up to video. We will meet soon in the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care.